In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art mesh. This is how the mesh looks like, and I have added 4 objects to create the scene. The mesh might look very complicated to model, but this mesh can be made in less than a couple of minutes. The mesh is using 4 modifiers in total. The curve modifier and the array modifier are referencing external objects. This is the base mesh, and it was created by using a mesh circle. If you don't see this menu item, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. In edit mode, type F as in Frank to fill, and I as in India to extrude inward once. I scaled the inner circle. Please press Ctrl R to add a loop cut, and create 25 loop cuts in total. The next object used was a curve. If you don't see this menu item, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Type E to extrude. Type A as in alpha, V as in Victor, and A as in alpha to smooth curve. The next object is an empty object, and it was used as an anchor for the array modifier. The idea is to modify the transform settings of the empty object to create this interesting shape. We can certainly modify the settings further to create far more interesting looking meshes. I'll show you the materials, sky texture, and the composite node details next. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.